Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys an app I've been using for a while now. This app really does the job. It helped me to edit my products, background, remove objects, you understand, retouch and all that. It does it perfectly, like perfectly, okay? Perfect job. So the name of the app is Photo Room. If you are using an iPhone, an Apple device, or an Android device, the app is available both on Apple and Android. So if you are using any of them, you go to your App Store, you go to your Play Store, then you type Photo Room. Photo Room, you can see. Then you search, then the app will come up. Make sure you see the logo. This is the app, Photo Room Studio. You can see it has a 4.8 rating, which is about 5 complete rating. That is to tell you it really does the job in when it comes to graphic designing, changing background and all that. So let's take a look at some of the fixtures. So here's the app. So when you download the app at first, it will ask you to subscribe to the Pro version, but you don't need a Pro version, okay? You can just, if you did not need a Pro version, you can just remove it and use the Try version. You see, like this. When if you open the app at first, it will open like this, okay? Then if you want to use the complete version, you can subscribe for the Try version. A monthly payment of $10, a yearly payment. They give discounts, $41, 41% discounts, which is about $70 per year. You can to use the, if you want to take a try before subscribing for the Pro version, you can use their free try, okay? But if you did not want to, you can just cancel, then use the normal version of it, okay? This is a free version, you don't need to pay, okay? So let's try to use the app to edit any picture, okay? Let's just try this, okay? Let's try to change the background of this picture. It changed the background automatically. You don't need to start cutting out the background from your picture and all that. All the app does is to scan the picture and filter and cut out the picture from the background. So here is the picture. You can use the white background. You can see it does the job perfectly. No sign uh, uh, of the other background in it. You can see you can change the background to black and all that. Very many. You can see it. You can see what it does. You can bring this picture front. You can send it to front. You can add light to it. You can see you can bring the picture to front. Let's try to bring it to front. You can see the picture is already in the front. It's already in the front. Then let's send it back. You can see you can duplicate it. There is an option for duplicating. Just many. You can retouch the picture, you can add texture, you can add filter, you can change the color and everything. You can transform, adjust. There are many. The shadow, the color, it has shadow. You see many. You can cut out anything. You can see many features. So just download the app and take a look at it yourself. You see, let's go. For those of you who want to edit products, and you did not know the background to use, they have nice backgrounds. They have a very nice background. See, they have magazine covers, love portraits. You can see many. For they even have for Instagram, Facebook, and all that. You can see YouTube, for YouTube thumbnails and all that. You can see ID card. They also have a ID card background for you. Just many. They have many Christmas and all that. If you want to edit a Christmas picture for a friend, you can just come here. Christmas, you can see. It's a very nice app. Instagram, Twitter, and all that. This Instagram. You can only use this for the pro version. Instagram and all that. See? Independence Day in the United States. You can see. So this app really, it's really a nice app. So for instance, let's try to change just a lot you need to do. Okay, so you can download the app, take a look at it, and let me know in the comment section. Drop your review about this app in the comment section. In the description, I will be adding the download link for both Android user and iOS user download link. Okay, so looking at this, like this picture now, I can decide to cut out somewhere from it. Let me remove this key. No, I want to retouch it. I want to retouch this. I want to retouch it. Retouching it, like trying to remove something, an object or something, like this key now. I can delete this key from it, and it will look perfect and nice. The key will go out of it. You see, the key is out from there. The glasses. You can see the glasses is out from it. So this app really, you can also change the background. You can change the background. Just tap on the background, then click replace. You see, if you want to edit the background on its own, okay, this is the picture, the background. You can edit the background and so many more. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe if this video is useful to you. Please subscribe and drop your review in the comment section. Thank you.